Hello, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to be using a list of names that you may have on your computer to automatically add them on Snapchat in a random order. So it's sort of distributed properly. It's not predictable, okay? To start, what we recapped in the last video was SnapFame and how inputting your name into the starting area here and generating a code for your audience is going to just exponentially grow you. So, you know, from 10 to 100 to 1,000, because you'll be getting more people, etc. So just go ahead, go to snapfame.me in the description, and that will take you directly to the website that will let you boost your name in this algorithm. So you can show up in either the adding area or, you know, elsewhere, such as what we went over in the last video with the SnapFame auto adder. Okay, so all you want to do to get this set up is obviously have the phone, the Teamviewer phone. Okay, so Teamviewer is great for Android phones. It'll work on basically any Android. Oh, look at that! Any Android phone, which will allow you to automatically do movements, actions, type, drag, anything you can imagine you can do on a phone, you can automate it. And that's the purpose of this channel, is to automate things and just to, you know, go over what's useful in general, etc, etc. So we're going to do that today with the list. So hook up your phone, get the TeamViewer Quick Connect app. This is a very old phone. It's done me well. I just plug it in and it stays alive forever. And that will connect to the TeamViewer on your PC, and then you'll be able to run this code. So if you don't understand much of that, there's a lot of other in-depth tutorials on my computer, sorry, on my channel, which explains everything to do with the TeamViewer connection. Okay, so just go ahead and check them out. So what are we doing today? We are going to go to this link, which is my GitHub, and we're going to install the new list. So I'll just close these and we'll open up auto add a new list.exe. Just go ahead and click on that and it will bring you to this page here. I mean, this is a file, so you can't see what's inside of it, but you can go ahead and hit download and that will bring it down. If you want to see what this is compiled from, or you want to run it yourself, just go ahead and look at the Python file if you're a developer, and you will be able to run this code and it will do the exact same thing. You can see what it's doing, and you can make sure that it's not doing anything malicious. That would never be my intent. So now we need a folder. So I have a folder already set up. So you want to just drag in this executable file into this folder, which you got from this link, which is in the description, and then go ahead and click on this list. And you want to make a new file. Just shut that. New text document called names. Okay, just name it names. That's all you need. Now you can import all your names, for instance. So I'm gonna just do 2. Jack the Hales. That's my 3 fun accounts. Those brilliant. And all we have to do now is run this. So just double click, protected, just because it doesn't know what's in it. Fair enough, Windows. You don't need to know everything in every file. And we should see this launches up, retrieved names from names.txt. Now that's brilliant. So what's happened now is we're able to do this next process, which is aligning everything on this phone so that my program knows where to move. So the first thing we're going to do is it wants us to click enter when our mouse is hovering over add friend. Now all we have to do is move our mouse over the add friend button and tap enter on our keyboard, and now we have just captured where those coordinates are. Next, we want to move our mouse over the close button. So to do that, just click on the button, put our mouse over the close, hit enter. Now next, we want to put our mouse over the add friend search bar, which is this here. I like to do it in the middle. Just click in the middle, go ahead and click enter after that. After that, we need to get the coordinates of the clear friend bar, which if we know is just here after we type. So I'm just going to tap enter without my mouse over there. And then next, we are going to put our mouse over the first add button, which is generally in the middle of these two buttons. Okay, so just hit enter. Now, it's going to cycle through the names. So it'll say adding rock160420. It'll already have me, but that's okay. And it will cycle through those three names, basically forever. So this is sort of, well, there we go, we got it again. Chances on our side. It'll cycle through these names. It'll just keep adding and adding and adding, etc. And it will run through that list of names randomly. I can do it sequentially, so if you guys would like an adder that goes down the list in order, that's very easy, but I thought the random would make sense just because you get a bit of diversity. You might do the same name twice, slow it down. Snapchat will be like, okay. Oh, I guess I don't have an account. Oh, that's my account. Okay, that's the account I'm on. So there you guys have it. There's the list. If you guys have any questions, any comments, any advice, recommendations, whatever, if you guys have anything, let me know in Discord or in the comments, and I'll read them all. This has been very fun to make. Took me about 15 minutes, so changing it around, it's not difficult. Definitely does not take long for me to change anything. So if you guys have anything you guys would like to see, I'll happily spend a few minutes building it, making a video on it. I find it quite fun, and I like putting out stuff. So go ahead and hit subscribe so you will see all my future tools and be in a little niche club of a tool builder who builds tools in his spare time.